Hey, this is Cheryl from Alaska. I live on an island and you can hear the birds chirping and singing. It's so lovely because I live up in kind of the forest and I just get so much enjoyment out of that. But I had some really cool update to tell you about the Impact Mailing Club is we have a promo. 3 special bonus promo that is going on right now till May 1st. So you definitely want to take advantage of this promo. We mailed the postcards and we actually have another template that's coming in. Oh, there, maybe see it like that. Another template that our owner made that was really cool too. So we have lots of good materials, lots of great support, and if you ever wanted to do something incredibly easy and fun and lucrative at home, you definitely want to take advantage of this. If you're thinking about joining and you're like, well, don't wait. Oh my, don't wait to get started. The sooner actually the better, because then you have this rolling and you'll never look back. I mean, that's what our owner has done too. So look, we have a level called Ruby, which is like $250 to join it. And when you do that, when you join at the Ruby level, you will get upgraded to the Sapphire level, which is a $500 to join. So that is a free upgrade. So you get in as a Ruby and they upgrade you to Sapphire. All from that. And then we have another special. So we have 3 of them. If you get in as a Sapphire for $500, they upgrade you to Diamond, which means you can earn $1,000, unlimited payments of $1,000. Now how cool is that? Get in as a Sapphire, they upgrade you to a Diamond, and you can, as a Diamond, you can order, receive $1,000. So now, if you get in, this is the last one, the 3rd one. If you get in as a Diamond, which is a $2,000 cost, you will be upgraded to our Double Diamond, which is unlimited payments of $2,000. So that is a really good upgrade for your financial planning, for your future. And if one of these would work for you, I highly recommend you do that. Now the deadline for this will be the 1st of May. So if you can get in and be part of our team and all the great support and all the cool materials we get and have and working on for us, then you need to do it. You need to do it right now so you can get started. So I invite you to get started. Welcome you to the team, and thanks for watching my video from Alaska. Bye.